Understanding Blimp Camera View in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, Blimp Camera View. This expression might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. Let's dive in. Before we understand the entire phrase, let's start with the word blimp. A blimp is a type of airship or dirigible, which is basically a large, non-rigid balloon that can fly through the air. Blimps are known for their large, elongated shapes and are often used for advertising, observation, or as a mode of transport. Remember the Goodyear blimp you might have seen in sports events? That's a classic example. Now, let's talk about camera views. In photography and videography, the term camera view refers to the angle and perspective from which a photo or video is taken. Common camera views include bird's eye view, worm's eye view, and side view. Each view gives the audience a different perspective and can change the way we perceive the subject being photographed or filmed. So, what do we mean when we say, blimp camera view? This phrase combines the concepts we've just learned. It refers to the type of camera view or angle that one would get if the camera were mounted on a blimp. Imagine floating high in the sky, looking down at the world below. This view provides a unique, wide-angle perspective, often capturing expansive areas that wouldn't be visible from the ground. While blimp camera view is a technical term, it's also used metaphorically in everyday language. For example, someone might say, "Let's take a blimp camera view of this situation," meaning they want to look at the bigger picture or get an overall perspective on something. This metaphorical use is handy in various contexts, especially in planning or analysis discussions. And that's a wrap on Blimp Camera View. We hope this video has given you a clear and comprehensive understanding of what this phrase means and how you can use it. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and images they convey. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English phrases like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.